Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to fix WSL not working error, then watch this video. So the first thing we need to do is to check if the Windows subsystem for Linux is enabled or not. For that we need to look for features, turn Windows features on and off, and we will check for Windows subsystem for Linux. Now you can see Windows subsystem for Linux is unchecked, and that is because I recently reset my computer. So you need to click on it and click on OK. It will search for the required files and it will install the required files, and you have to restart the system and it should work for you. If this doesn't work, then you can go for features again, click on it, and you need to turn on Windows hypervisor, enable Windows hypervisor. Okay, here it is, and we will click on this and we will click on OK. Again, it will search for the required files and it will apply the files, and we will have to restart. Once both these options are over, it should probably now not show, the error should not show, WSL should start working. But in case it doesn't work or you're not able to access these before options, then you need to download a third-party software, and I would recommend you download Ubuntu. So go to Microsoft Store and you can look for Ubuntu, and you can click on Get. And once this downloads, then you need to install it, or it will be or it will install by itself, and this should solve your problem. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.